Hi, this is Chris from the Malware Research Group. In this video we're going to give you an overview of a rogue anti-malware application, Antivirus Studio 2010. This is one of the samples that we've used in a recent PUA test. Focus on this one particularly because it's just absolutely amazing the techniques that it uses to try and convince a user that firstly they've got an infection, and also that they need to register the application in order to remove that infection. I mean, these things have been around for several years now, but this one uses a number of techniques we've not seen before. Now, these techniques include obviously scanning and finding, infections that aren't really there, false alerts, and it will then prompt the user to register the application in order to remediate this PC. But this one will also, as you'll see,
new virus found. New virus found.
prompt the user with this
New virus found.
rather fetching audible alert.
New virus found. New virus found. New virus found.
And of course,
New virus found.
it uses very realistic sounding
New virus found.
malware names.
New virus found. New virus found.
All of which makes it seem very legitimate to the
New virus
unsuspecting
found.
user. I'll just wait
New
for this to
virus
finish.
found. New virus 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 found.
Well, there you go. It's found 187 threats, which it lists here. All look very risky to me. It asks me if I want to remove them all. Clearly, it will prompt me to enter my credit card details on some website. So I'll be invoiced for some $50 or whatever and have my credit card details stolen. What makes this one particularly interesting is that it uses other techniques to try and convince the user the system's under attack. This one, I don't know if we'll be able to capture it on video, but it makes a screen flash and creates the sound as if the system's shorting out. We've not seen this technique used elsewhere. Okay. Another thing this has in common with a lot of other fake antiviruses is that it hijacks the browser. As we'll see in a moment. Aside from this alert, here, trying to tell us that we've got some infection and browsing is risky for us. And here again, another alert, fake alert. We have a worm or some similar infection. Now, if we click on we want to continue anyway, it will take us to excellent. I'm glad we got that on video. That's the simulation it presents to try and suggest that the system is shorting out. As we see here, $89, bargain. I'll have two. And clearly if you enter your credit card details, who knows what's going to happen. I won't take it that far. But if I was a user and I wanted to uninstall this, what I could easily do, supposedly, is just go to the control panel, click on programs, uninstall a program, and here we have it listed, antivirus. to uninstall change. And here you see it's saying we need a key to uninstall it. And supposedly if you enter your email address and so on here, then they will send you the uninstall key. We've tried it and they don't actually send you the uninstall key. Okay, what I'll do, I will use SUPERAntiSpyware to try and clean this infection up. Now I'll pause the video whilst it installs. Just go through the first couple of stages. The free version is perfectly adequate to clean the system. This will take a minute or so to install, so I'll pause the video. Okay, I've installed SUPERAntiSpyware to the free edition. I've done an update, but I'll just check. Yep, it has the latest signatures. So now I'll just do standard scan, and I expect that SUPERAntiSpyware will clean up this rather nasty fake anti-malware. Whilst it's true to say that it can be quite amusing to see the sort of techniques that these things use, you have to remember, of course, that there is a bunch of criminals behind this, and they're more than happy to take $80 or $90 off some unsuspecting individual. Now this can probably take, I would have thought, about 5 or 6 minutes to complete the scan, because already it's found 6 items here. 8 items now and another one. Okay, so it's clearly finding all the various components of this. I'll pause the video and I'll start it again when it's finished in a few minutes' time. Okay, it took 5 minutes and 44 seconds in total to finish the scan. And as you can see, it's found a number of components of the infection. So now it's going to go through the process of removing those infections, and yep, it's asking for a reboot. Clearly it can't remove some of these whilst they're active. So what I'll do, just to save time again, I'll pause the video whilst it reboots, and hopefully when it restarts we'll have a clean system. Here we are, back again. The system just restarted. And as you see, we've got SUPERAntiSpyware now running, but we have not got the fake antivirus. And I'll just see if we can browse. I expect that we can. There we are, no pop-ups. Fine, everything's back as it should be. Oh well, okay, I hope that's of interest to you. Cheers.